Ever wonder why some people are naturally magnetic? It's not luck, it's psychology. If you want to change the dynamic of any relationship instantly, you need to understand how the brain processes attachment. Most people think we do favors for people we like, but psychology proves the opposite. We like people we do favors for. If you want someone to feel more invested in you, don't do something for them. Ask them for a small, simple favor. It forces their brain to justify the action by thinking, I must like this person if I'm helping them. In a world where everyone talks too much, silence is a power move. When they finish speaking, wait 3 seconds before responding. This creates a subconscious pressure that makes them want to fill the gap, usually by revealing more personal information or seeking your approval. Want to make a date unforgettable? Do something high adrenaline. Roller coasters, horror movies, or even a fast-paced game. The brain often confuses the physical rush of adrenaline with the spark of attraction. They'll associate that heart-racing feeling with you. These aren't just tricks, they are windows into how we connect. But remember, psychology works best when it's built on a real foundation. Which of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.